Prices in the grain markets have been slowly inching upward over the last couple of weeks. Neil Melancon now joins us with this week's Bottom Line. And Neil, earlier we saw that the Chinese had nothing to do with the fortune cookie, but they seem to have everything to do with what's going on in the grain markets right now.
Well, Mike, it's no secret that China has been buying up grains, especially soybeans, since last year when prices spiked on a number of factors, including fears of tight supplies. Despite rumors of a cut off to this buying spree, China has continued to snap up beans, which have come increasingly from the U.S. as the Argentinian crop continues to fail. Prices have come up significantly, about $2 to $3 from where they were at the start of the year, at least for nearby contracts, as buyers are trying to lure farmers to sell. Futures haven't come up nearly as much, mostly because we don't have a clear idea of how much new crop has or will be planted. Meanwhile, estimates of Argentinian soybean production have dropped week after week. Initially, the crop was estimated at 46 million metric tons, now down to 31 at the lowest. The harvest is 3/4 done, and it seems like each update brings a lower number. The bottom line this week is that soybeans have reached a threshold where the price traditionally rations demand. This means as beans move higher into the $11 to $13 range, it should stop clients from buying, but there's two reasons we've seen buying continue. One, Argentina is likely to stop selling whole beans completely, only soy meal. Number two, China is scared from last year's shortages and may continue to buy soybeans from their strategic reserve, If this continues to happen and we have any shortfall in production over the summer here in the U.S., we could be looking at an insanely tight supply situation this fall. Although it's unlikely we'll see the same prices as last year, above $11 a bushel that is, it will mean higher prices for consumers down the line. And Mike, that is the bottom line. Back to you.
And Neil, of course, China continues to be the big dog on the block so far.
Indeed.
Very good.